Hello guys, today we will be celebrating Native American Heritage Month and we will be taking inspiration from We Are Water Protectors, a book written by Carol Lindstorm, who is of Anishinaabe Métis and is enrolled with the Ojibwe or Chippewa tribe of Native Americans. This book honors water protectors who are fighting for indigenous rights and environmental justice. Storytelling is very important to Native American culture because it creates a connection between the past and provides wisdom for the future. So we will be taking inspiration from the book to create this artwork for today. Be sure to read the book in our Bitmoji library so that you can learn more about other Native American authors as well as read about other Native American books. So let's go ahead and get started for today. You will need your crayons and your watercolors as well as a pencil and an eraser. Now let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and make a circle here at the top. And what we are actually creating is a dream catcher, and we will be talking about dream catchers next week, but today that is what we will be creating, dream catcher. And it's a part of the tribe from where Carol Lindstorm is, which is the Ojibwe or Chippewa tribe. Go ahead and make a circle inside of the other circle that you have created. Now if you make a mistake, just like this, go ahead and erase it. And remember guys, mistakes make our brain stronger because we always want to have a growth mindset. There we go. Now notice that our circle does not have to look perfect, and that's okay. Now go ahead and make this at the bottom. I made 5 little strings, but if you want to make more than 5, you're welcome to make more. If you want to make less, you're welcome to make less. It's however many you want. Now at the bottom, go ahead and make some feathers, just like this. Some feathers can be coming out of the page, and that's perfectly fine. There we go, and go ahead and place some beads. Now we are going to start here with the circle. Go ahead and find the middle point for your circle by creating 2 lines just like this. Put the point in the middle of your circle. Now your circle has been partitioned into fourths. What you want to do is to make sure that you have the same amount of lines in either of the fourths. There we go. We are going to be creating a pattern now. So after we do that, go ahead and start again. And it does not have to be perfect, that's completely fine. Now after you do that, you're actually going to make one small line inside of each one, just like this. There we go. Try to make them about the same size. And now, if you can, and if there's enough space, go ahead and make a line like this on each one. Now that you did that, go ahead and create a line underneath it, just like this. Now you are done with this pattern. See how in each of the fourths we have the same amount of lines and patterns? That's what you have to have. Now let's go ahead and make some lines like this on the outside. See how they match the lines on the inside? Now we are done. These lines on the inside are gonna be colored with the white crayon. Now be sure to press really hard into it, just like I'm doing right now. And you're going to go all the way around, pressing very hard inside of both lines. Go ahead and start now. Alright guys, so see how I made sure that I press very hard inside of each of these white lines? Now we are going to use black to underline this outside part. There we go. Now choose some colors that you might want to have here at the bottom. You can make a pattern, you can make a rainbow, you can make it however you want. Choose your colors and underline the parts that I am going to show you now. Now that you chose your colors, it should look something like this. When you are done choosing your colors, go ahead and go with the same white and underline those lines. Alright guys, now we are done with our piece of artwork. Remember to have pressed hard and use thick lines whenever we were underlining and coloring today. Next time, be sure to bring your watercolors. And remember that you are reading a book for art class, so that way we can have inspiration from the book in order to honor Native American Heritage Month, because books and art make the world a better, more beautiful place to live in. See you soon!